Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build analytics reports with Google Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Google Analytics account. Select the property for which you want to create a report. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Reports. Explore the standard reports available under the real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and identify the specific metrics and dimensions relevant to your goals. Use the Customization section to create a new report. Click on Custom Reports and then select New Custom Report. Name your report, and provide a description to clarify its purpose. Choose the report type you want: Explorer, Flat Table, or Editor. Add the dimensions you want to analyze, such as source, medium, page title, or user type. Next, select the metric group that aligns with your analysis, such as sessions, bounce rate, or goal completions. Decide if you want to display the report in a tabular format or use visualizations like line charts or pie charts. Customize the report based on your preferences, adjusting date ranges and segments to refine the data. Once your report is set up, click on Save. You can access this report anytime from the Custom Reports section. For more in-depth insights, consider using the Dashboards feature. Navigate to Dashboards in the left sidebar. Click on Create to start building a new dashboard from scratch. Add widgets to visualize key metrics using different formats like charts, tables, or scorecards. Save your dashboard once you have included all relevant widgets. Schedule email reports if you want to receive updates automatically. Return to your custom reports regularly to refine and adjust the metrics as your needs change. Utilize segments to analyze different subsets of your audience effectively. Share reports with team members by clicking on the share icon. Export your reports in formats like PDF, Google Sheets, or CSV for further analysis. Review your reports consistently to track performance and make data-driven decisions. Explore Google Analytics' built-in analysis tools for deeper insights beyond your standards reports. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating comprehensive analytics reports that help drive your business strategy. Happy analyzing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.